All right, for this last little video on finding information formats or the basic types, we're going to look at book chapters. So let's come on down to Format and click Book Chapters. Book chapters are fantastic learning resources. They are somewhat like journal articles, except they are published in books that address specific aspects of academic topics and are collected and edited by single editors or usually by a group of editors. They also have a little bit longer information life cycle than journals do. One thing to notice here on the screen is that we do not have access to the first or third chapters, but we do to the second one. So let's start with that one. Here we find that the chapter is available in a book through eBook Central Academic Complete. We've already seen this source. All right, now we'll notice that we come to the book as a whole and not to the particular chapter we were looking for. Here's where looking at the contents could be useful. Again, we see the whole table of contents, and here it'll be useful to look down through here to find what we want, and we find that it is in section 2, aquatic and marine life. So we can come down here over to the hyperlinked section, and we can go right to shark conservation. We notice that this is kind of an encyclopedic entry. So if we wanted to print the whole chapter, it might actually pull this whole section in here. We can print specific page numbers if we want to, right? So we can pay attention to the page numbers over here and print the specific range, and we can pick which citation style we want to use. If these printing steps are confusing, and they can be, contact a librarian and we'll be more than happy to work with you to get printed what you need to. All right, so let's go back to the results screen. All right, so let's say we wanted this third chapter, which is not available to us. And I want to point this out also really quickly. It says place summit request. Summit request will not go through for book chapters. But even though we don't have full text access directly, we can request it through Interlibrary loan. And this process can be a bit complicated, and it's a little bit beyond this introductory series of videos. So if you do find an ebook chapter that looks good and can be useful in your research, please don't hesitate to contact your librarian, and we'll be more than happy to work through it with you. Alrighty, so that's how we can filter for books, ebooks, and ebook chapters. Again, if you have any questions, please contact your librarian, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.